Hello, in front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, simply press and hold the power button. Once the menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option and wait for the phone to turn off. After the phone turns off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together and keep holding them until you see the Sony logo on the screen. Once the logo appears on the screen, you will need to release the power button but keep holding the volume down button. And you need to keep holding it until the recovery mode appears on the screen. Okay, so let's press and hold the volume down and power button together. When the logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume down. And after a couple of seconds, the recovery mode should appear on the screen. We can move through this menu by using the volume up and volume down buttons, like this. And we can confirm the selections by pressing the power button. In this menu we have options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data / factory reset, mount / system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. To exit this menu, you can select either reboot system now or power off. The difference between them is if you select power off, the phone will turn off, and if you select reboot system now, it will reboot the system. Okay, I'm just gonna select reboot system now, and like I said before, to confirm the selections, press the power button. So I'm gonna press the power button and wait. And we're back in the system. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.